Hello, in front of me I've got IIYAMA ProLite. In this video I'll show you how to manage navigation panel behind monitor. As you can see on this photo, behind monitor we've got this panel. On the panel you can find auto button, plus minus button, menu and power button. Panel is located right here. To turn monitor on or off, simply press power button. If you press auto button, monitor will automatically adjust its settings for the PC. To go to menu, press menu button. To manage menu, press plus and minus buttons. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.